So, another quick thing we can do is check for collision. So our bullets have collision. They have a sphere collider, whatever that is. And our player object has a box collider. Collision, and we can just print. No, it didn't print anything. Trigger enter. No. Is it the other way around? Should the bullet be the trigger? No. Both could need a rigid body to detect collisions. Okay. We can try that. Rigid body. Ooh. Collision detection. I don't know if I need anything else for that. Okay. And rigid body. Yeah, thank you very much. Yeah, that was it. Trigger enter. Alright, that's very, very nice. You are now responsible for the deaths of everyone who ever plays this game in the future. And we don't need this one. Should we try to make this look slightly better than it does? Okay, let's try to give some materials. Yeah, a lot has changed. Okay, so let's do a basic load test. So many options. Emission. Oh, you can emit colors. That's nice. Halo. Whoa. That's kind of cool. That is very, very cool. I wonder what the performance impact of this will be. But I guess I'm gonna find out later. Materials. Let's do one for the bullets. Okay, so for my bullets, I'm gonna go for some orange. It's gonna be the basic bullet emission. Some other orange. So if I open the prefab, put my bullet material, and do some halo as well for this. Okay, like that. Let's put a different type of orange. I think these could do with a bigger halo. Alright, this is kind of a cool effect. Quite happy with this. That bullet is very slow. That is one very slow bullet.